struggled, with confidence and weight and everything throughout my whole life. And at a very early age, like right after my teens, my hair started thinning out, and it just added on to that roller coaster of emotions that most people go through in their lives. I've always looked for something like this that would give me my confidence back. So I would 100%, absolutely, without a doubt, recommend it to anyone that's ever gone through or is going through the situation that I've been through. It's an investment. You're making an investment on yourself. And it's not a matter of how people portray you, it's how you portray yourself, how you feel about yourself. And this, it may not be the cheapest thing you do in your life, but it's totally worth it.